Did you know that only 3% of people actually achieve their goals? Most people dream, but never take a single step to turn those dreams into reality. Today, I want to show you a proven system that has transformed the lives of millions around the world. By the end of this session, you'll know exactly how to define your goals, focus your energy, and achieve them faster than you ever imagined. Decide exactly what you want. Picture yourself holding a magic wand with no limits at all. What would you ask for in your income, family life, health, and wealth? This vision is not just a dream, it is the foundation for every success you will create. Clarity is the spark that sets the engine of achievement in motion. Step 1. Total clarity. Decide precisely what you want in every area of your life. In income, how much do you want to earn this year, next year, and in 5 years? In family, what kind of lifestyle would you create for yourself and your loved ones? In health, what would your life look like if you had perfect energy, ideal weight, and excellent daily habits? In wealth, how much would you like to accumulate long term? Clarity is the first key to success. Income. Start with income. Write down a specific number for what you want to earn this year, next year, and in 5 years. A clear number gives your mind a target, something concrete to focus on. When you define it clearly, your subconscious starts working automatically, generating ideas, opportunities, and strategies to help you reach that target. Without a number, your goals remain vague and powerless. Family. Think about your family life. Imagine the ideal lifestyle, the home you live in, the vacations you enjoy, the quality time spent with loved ones. When you include family in your goals, it adds strong motivation and purpose. Every action you take is reinforced by the desire to create a better life for yourself and those you care about most. A compelling vision makes discipline and focus easier every single day. Health is the foundation of all success. Ask yourself, how would my life feel if I had perfect energy, ideal weight, and strong daily habits? A strong body supports a clear mind, and a clear mind produces better decisions and more productivity. Without health, even the best plans and skills are limited. Invest in your body like it's your most important asset, because it is the engine that drives your success. Now, think about wealth. Decide exactly how much you want to save and accumulate during your working life. A clear financial goal turns daily decisions into powerful habits that build security and freedom. Without a specific target, money slips through your fingers. With clarity, every decision, every investment, every saving choice brings you closer to the future you truly desire. Here's a simple but powerful exercise. Write the word I followed by an action, but write it as if you've already achieved it. For example, I earn $X per year. I have perfect health. I own my dream home. Doing this sends a strong signal from your conscious mind to your subconscious, creating alignment and reinforcing commitment. Your brain begins looking for ways to make these statements true. Select your 10 key goals. Once you have your 10 goals written, ask yourself, if I had a magic wand and one of these could come true immediately, which one would have the greatest positive impact on my life? That goal becomes your highest priority. Then, make a plan and work on it every single day. Daily action, even small steps, is what turns dreams into reality faster than you can imagine. Step 2. Write goals in detail. Writing your goals in full detail transforms abstract ideas into concrete intentions. Don't just think about them, put them on paper. Include every aspect: numbers, dates, emotions, and results. Detailed goals give your mind clarity, focus, and purpose. The more vivid your written goal, the more your subconscious can begin to design ways to make it happen. Writing is the first action step toward true achievement. Step 3. Write goals in detail. Writing your goals in full detail transforms abstract ideas into concrete intentions. Don't just think about them, put them on paper. Include every aspect: numbers, dates, emotions, and results. Detailed goals give your mind clarity, focus, and purpose. The more vivid your written goal, the more your subconscious can begin to design ways to make it happen. Writing is the first action step toward true achievement. Step 4. Write goals in detail. Writing your goals in full detail transforms abstract ideas into concrete intentions. Don't just think about them, put them on paper. Include every aspect: numbers, dates, emotions, and results. Detailed goals give your mind clarity, focus, and purpose. The more vivid your written goal, the more your subconscious can begin to design ways to make it happen. Writing is the first action step toward true achievement. Overcoming limitations. Analyze what is holding you back. It could be a missing skill, a habit, or fear. Once you identify the true limitation, you can work directly on it and eliminate it. Breaking through internal barriers is critical because internal limitations often create more resistance than external ones. Master this, and you unlock your potential for rapid achievement. Step 5. Develop key skills. Every goal requires new skills. Ask yourself, which skill, if I mastered it, would put me in the top 10% of my field? Then commit to practicing that skill daily. Excellence in key skills multiplies your income, opportunities, and impact. Skill development is the multiplier that accelerates success faster than time alone ever could. Daily discipline: dedicate at least 1 hour a day to developing your key skills. Over the course of a year, this adds up to more than 300 hours of focused practice. With consistent effort, anyone can become an expert. Discipline and daily practice are the most powerful investments you can make in yourself. They create unstoppable momentum toward your goals. Step 6. Build your support network. Identify people who can help you. Family, friends, colleagues, mentors. No one achieves major goals alone. Successful people cultivate strong networks of support. These connections provide advice, motivation, accountability, and opportunities. A strong network multiplies your success and provides resources you might never have accessed otherwise. Cultivate relationships. Every person you know can open doors to bigger opportunities. Give value, maintain contact, and nurture authentic relationships. Your network becomes a system of support that actively pushes you toward your goals. Connections aren't just social, they are strategic. The stronger your relationships, the faster and easier your path to success. Step 7. Create a complete action list. Make a comprehensive list of all actions needed to reach your goals. Include obstacles, required resources, and every step you can think of. Keep the list open, add new ideas daily. This becomes your roadmap. The act of listing everything removes confusion, reduces anxiety, and gives your mind a clear framework for action. The list is a map. Writing down every step frees mental energy and reduces stress. What once seemed overwhelming becomes a structured plan. Your subconscious begins working behind the scenes, reminding you of actions, identifying solutions, and creating opportunities to move forward. This list becomes your most powerful tool for consistent progress. Step 8. Organize your plan. Turn your list into a structured plan by sequence and priority. Sequence answers, what should I do first, second, and third? Priority identifies the actions with the highest impact. Organized action transforms ideas into measurable results. Without order, even great intentions often fail. Structure is the bridge between thought and achievement. The 8020 rule in planning: remember, 80% of your results come from 20% of your activities. Planning is critical. Spending just 20% of your time planning can produce 80% of your results. Strategic planning avoids wasted effort, prevents mistakes, and multiplies the effectiveness of every action you take. Planning is not optional, it is essential. Step 9. Execute methodically. With a plan in place, start executing step by step. Follow the sequence and tackle the highest priority actions first. Organized execution increases success exponentially. Every small action builds momentum and reinforces your confidence. Consistent execution is the difference between wishful thinking and real achievement. The power of consistent progress: every small victory builds confidence and reinforces positive habits. Cumulative progress leads to remarkable results. Even modest daily actions, repeated over time, compound into extraordinary achievements. The secret of high achievers is simple: consistent, focused progress, day in and day out. Step 10. Visualization. Visualize your goals as if they are already accomplished. See them clearly and feel the emotions associated with their achievement. Visualization activates the subconscious mind, aligning your thoughts and actions with your desired results. The mind begins seeking opportunities and solutions that bring your vision to reality. Motion is fuel. Imagining alone is not enough, you must feel it. Emotion acts as fuel, accelerating manifestation. The stronger and more vivid the feeling of success, the faster your actions and opportunities align with it. Emotional intensity drives motivation, focus, and the subconscious to work in your favor. Law of attraction in action: what you think and feel intensely tends to materialize. Visualization with emotion trains your subconscious to attract opportunities, resources, and people that move you closer to your goals. This is not magic, it's psychology and neuroscience in action. What you focus on grows in your life. Summary of steps: here are the 10 steps. Define clearly, write your goals, set deadlines, identify limitations, develop key skills, build a support network, create a complete action list, organize a structured plan, execute methodically, and visualize daily. Applied consistently, this system produces measurable results in any area of life. Immediate action: start today, write your goals, apply the I+Action exercise, and work on them daily. Don't wait for the perfect plan, take the next step now. Daily, focused action brings your goals closer and transforms your life. Momentum builds with consistent effort, and each step compounds toward extraordinary achievement. Picture your life 1 year from now: higher income, better health, a happy family, and financial security. All of this is possible if you apply this system every day. Decide now, act now, and take control of your future. Your goals are within reach if you start today, and the life you desire is waiting for you.